Hey guys, it's Kevin with Watchhimtrade.com. Today's date is May 25th, 2015. It's Memorial Day. The market is closed. Taking some time to look at some videos. Looking at Apple here, stock has started to break out. You can see a pretty clearly defined channel since late February, early March. I've got the bold green line to dictate key support being down around the 122 area, the dashed green line to dictate that was kind of the soft channel 125 support, dashed red line to show soft resistance at 130, and the bold red line to show our key resistance up at the all-time high area between 133 and 135. Pretty simple setup here on Apple, and personally I think there's a lot to like about it because you kept putting in higher lows throughout the March through April period, and you finally got some solidification above 130. Nice extension, nice action on Thursday and Friday, nice fat days. Volume was solid as well. It wasn't crazy, but it wasn't like this got above 130 on no volume. So now what I like about it and what I think is pretty simple is as long as you stay established above 130, I think you buy dips on Apple and you are looking for a breakout here on the 133 to 135 resistance, where then 140s come into play. As long as you stay above 130, I'm looking for Apple to get above 135 and make a move up towards 140. If you come back below 130, then this starts to look like a failed breakout, kind of like this one, number one, and then this one, number two, looked like. And we know that each of those came back to at least 125. So this one I would expect to go back down towards 125. Might not get all the way there since, again, we have seen higher lows, but maybe 126, 127 range or so is where you would find it pull back, with key support still being the dashed green line here at 125, and major critical support being the March lows, this bold green line in line with about 120, 150 to 122. So that's your setup on Apple. Really simple relative to 130. Watch for 130 action to dictate things. Key resistance is the current all-time high. Get above that, we can go to 140s. Stall out up there, maybe we come back down and test 130. Could be possible that you see Apple do something like this over the next few weeks before then trying to break out, or maybe it fails and ends up breaking down. Either way, I like your setup here because I think the channel is pretty clearly defined. Obviously, liquidity is not a problem with Apple, so keep your eye on it. I know a lot of you out there are playing this thing. Good luck.